Assalamualaikum my dear students, hopefully you'd be fine. This English language tutorial for grade 3. The day is Monday and the date is 22nd March 2021. So now let's get started. Today we are going to continue Unit 6 Dinosaurs and we are going to learn lesson number 3 describing dinosaurs. You will be needing learner's book page 80 and activity book page 68. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to describe dinosaurs using similes and you will make sentences of the given similes. Let's have previous knowledge questions. Number 1, what are similes? And number 2, what is as sweet as candy? So now, time to explain the concept of simile. A simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. Let's have example, as sweet as pie, and number 2, colorful like crayons. So simile is used to compare two things or two nouns, and you will be use the words like and as. Let's have some examples. For example, busy as a bee, sparkle like diamonds, hungry as a bear, flat as a pancake, and hard as a rock. So now you can practice this worksheet at home. For example, as black as the night, as white as snow, as green as grass, and so on. Okay, so now time to open up the learner's book page 80. So now look at the first picture. Look at the first picture. In the first picture, there's a sentence. We are going to look at the picture and compare the dinosaur with the other objects. The longest dinosaurs were as big as 3 buses. Picture 2, they were as heavy as 17 elephants. And number 3, the smallest dinosaurs were as small as a hen. So over to you. Now you are going to share some sentences using following similes, and the similes are as huge as tall as, bright like, and hard like. So now, time to do the written work. Everyone open up the activity book page 68. Write down today's date. The date is 22nd March 2021. Write down classwork and the day is Monday. Now, you will read the instruction and then complete the exercise. Instruction number 1. Think of something that is very soft. Then, read the 3 descriptions. Which description do you like most? And you will underline it. Description number A. It's as soft as pillow. B, it's as soft as a baby chick. And number C, it's as soft as a cloud. If you think that the one that is more soft, so you are going to underline that option. Then come back to exercise 2. Choose 6 adjectives. Write a description with each using the word as. Okay, so before doing the work, you should know that what are adjectives. Adjectives are those words that describes noun. Okay, so here in the word box we are having some adjectives. You are going to select the adjective and then you will make a sentence using simile as. The first example is already done for you. For example, on my birthday I was as happy as a bird singing in the tree. So you are going to select adjective from the word box and then you will make 6 sentences. And keep in your mind that page 69 of activity book is excluded. You will also only do activity book page 68. So now, time to do some written work. Open up English language notebook. Now, prepare the page. Write down today's date, classwork and day. Draw margin line, write on the topic similes and the focus is word sentences. Then write down the question, make sentences of the following similes, and the similes are as big as sweet as, and as hot as. On the right hand side, we can see an orange box, and this is the vocabulary bank. You can use these words while making your sentences. So now let's move on. Come back to simile number 4, 5 and 6, and it is soft like, brave like, dry like. You can take help from the vocabulary bank and complete your sentences. So now let's discuss your home task. Your home task is, task 1 is that you will do activity book page 68, and remember that page 69 is excluded. You will do task 2 is you will do written work in the notebook. Write down the question, make sentences of the following similes in notebook, and then the similes are number 1, as big as, number 2, as sweet as, number 3, as hot as, number 4, brave like, number 5, soft like, and number 6, dry like. So you will compare two nouns and you will use a simile and complete the sentences. So this was the end of tutorial. Hopefully it will help you while doing the work. Stay safe, take care, and Allah Hafiz.